Welcome back. It's freaking hot. Let's see what we're working on. Alright, so I got this thing. This is a 2013 Dodge Dart. I got hit something or got hit in the right front, and we got some bent stuff. So let's go ahead and get this up in the air. Well, I kind of got it up in the air. Let's finish getting it up in the air and get a jack stand under it. Alright. So I'm going to fight trying to get this wheel off quick. I'll be right back. Doesn't that just look awesome? So that's part of our problem. You know, I don't think that's supposed to be bent like that. So we're going to pull that out. I'm assuming maybe the strut is bent, but I don't know. So I'm going to go ahead and pull that guy out. So this is your inner tie rod. So I'm going to go ahead and start pulling that. First I'm going to pull this guy. I'm just going to take that whole inner outer tie rod off together, and I'll pull the clamps off of the steering rack. Check those out because, well, they might be all goobered up too, so I might need to actually do a rack. So I'm going to pull these and I'll be back. So to pull this, you have a nut on the bottom. It's pretty messed up. Okay, I'll be back. Just for everyone's reference, that lower nut on that is a 18 millimeter. Okay, so that was entertaining. I had to use a Torx bit in there because it was just spinning, because that's what these things do. Anyway, so now I can get under the car and take a look at that in there. Alright, that inside clamp was one of those stupid metal zip tie clamps. That's what we're left with. That shaft looks straight. So I'm going to get an inner and outer tie rod and see what happens. But I'm going to go grab some parts, well, order some parts. It's freaking hot here in Iowa. It's like 100 degrees right now. Normally I'd say drink healthy, but I'm going to drink smart. I'm drinking some Powerade today. But anyway, I'll continue this project once I get more parts. Obviously we're going to end up doing a front bumper cover, you know, because it's kind of missing part of it. And then we'll probably do brakes on it too. Anyway, from Hotter Than Hell, Iowa, like, subscribe, comment, share us. Deuces. Okay. Go to Harbor Freight and buy this guy. The other one sucks. Part number. Get the 1.5 inches. Slide it on there. And use an impact on the other side. Okay, so I'm going to be honest with you. Don't use the impact. That tube amplifies the sound and it really sucks. So just grab a big breaker bar. Grab your new one. There's part number. Made in China. There it is again. And just start threading it in there. Okie dokie. Slide this back on. Okay, now we're gonna tighten that down.
That'll be fun.
Here's the part number for this. They are different, right and left. This is your right hand side. To half-assly set your alignment, I counted the threads on the old one and I matched it up with this one. So now I'm gonna thread this little bastard on. So if you look real close, you might find something that I might have forgot to do. So don't be stupid. Grab your boot and toss it on that one.
You just have a camshaft hanging out.
It's a Hemi camshaft. It's worthless.
Oh, that's pretty.
Okay, so you see these little ribs? That's how far you put the small end onto. And then you stretch it out the rest of the way for the big end. Alright, put your grease zerk in up top. And then your cotter pin is going to go down below. Focus, you bastard. Okay, well, my potato isn't going to focus on that. But anyway, it's a cotter key. You just shove it in there and bend it over. Then you can put the tire back on. If I can find torque specs for this stuff, I'll throw it in the comments. So, like, subscribe, comment, share us. Deuces.